Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service light or the different maintenance reminders on a Nissan Titan. So for step 1, you want your ignition to be on. Now scroll until you see settings and press enter. You scroll by using the buttons on the steering wheel as you see in the video here. Now for step 2, you want to scroll down until you see maintenance and then press enter. So now we're on step 3. You want to scroll to what you want to reset and then press enter. There are a lot of options here, but select whichever one you want to reset and then press enter. Then you want to put in the distance until the next reminder should appear. Then press enter. It will ask you if you want to reset it or not. Press yes to confirm. You're done. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.